Welcome back to another video. Today we have Harbor Freight new tools coming out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Yeah, new tools, guys. Really nice tools here. We got some Bauer. Let's start with this one. Down to the point. You got the 20 volt Hypermax lithium cordless 1 gallon chemical sprayer. Tool only. This is great for home DIY use. It seems like you can detach it from here. You got the battery compartment there. You got a nice metal wand here, so that's pretty durable there. You got a nice hose there and rubber grip. That's the side view. I believe this is a measuring cup, if I'm not wrong. Looks like a measuring cup, but this could be, yeah, this could be like a measuring cup there. That's the way it looks when you have it with the battery in there, all set, pretty much. As you guys see, it does have a strap for the shoulder, so you're not killing your hands there. So we're gonna have to buy this and try it out. As you guys know, I am on the pest control business, so I will buy this because I need something like this for my for one of the chemicals that I use, so I can go ahead and try it out for you guys. So hopefully I'll get this when it's available. It says Queen Creek, not in Queen Creek. Let's see here, $49.99. It says Bauer cordless 1 gallon sprayer is to use 70 gallons per charge. The handy sprayer has a long lasting brass nozzle. See, that's something I like right there. You can tell it's heavy duty. Quick adjust from spray to stream. Yeah, that's at the end. You can adjust that at the end. 4 feet flex holds provide reach over 12 feet. Easy fill gas tank integrated measuring cup. See, this is what I was telling you guys. It does have a measuring cup. Translucent fluid level visible. Okay. Alright, 28 psi, not too bad. If it can keep that up, that's pretty good. That's alright, the next tool, it's a flashlight. Yes, another flashlight from Bauer. This is the 20 volt Hypermax lithium cordless 295 lumen LED stick lights. Tool only, $29.99. Here's the other view there. You can tell it folds like so. So it saves up space. $29.99. Alright, let's go to the next one. We got some warm white copper wire lights with the remote. $7.99. Seems like this is a decoration light, maybe for the holidays that are coming. Or if you just want to decorate something. I seen those when you know what? I seen people decorate with these. When you go to like a party, they'll have these on the table, like something like that with lights and stuff. So I guess this is something similar. If you have an event at your house, you may want to just throw some quick lights. There you go. Alright, the next one we have block wire brush. It says tough carbon steel bristles, ergonomic grip for powering toward paint, rust, threading used for extension pole. $5.99. So pretty simple. It's a wire brush, size of a regular broom, maybe. You got high density foam mini roller kit, 3-piece, $3.49. So basically a mini roller for paint with the tray. You got the paint kit, 8-piece, better quality, $9.99. Seems to be, yeah. You know what, guys? Talking from my experience, I did go buy a kit like this, but not this one, a kit something similar to this at Harbor Freight, and let me tell you, the rollers were bad. You know, everything was bad. The only thing I liked was this the tray that it did have the plastics on, and the roller was okay. The brush was trash, and this was trash, but hopefully they'll, you know, this is, it says here better quality, so they're telling you something right there. So you got the 4-inch premium paint roller frame, best quality, $1.99. And it does have like some sort of, I think it's rubber grip. Oh, you can put an extension pole there. And this is a 6-inch. Alright, you got the 9-inch roller frame, good quality, $2.99. Why do they have to put good quality here? I'm just gonna put you know, medium grade, medium grade, I would say. You got the 4-inch paint roller. I'm not gonna click on it. It's the 4-inch paint roller cover with 3/8 inch NAP, better quality. You got the 4-inch 3/8 best quality. Okay, so they want you to just know if it's a good quality, best quality. That's what they're targeting here, basically. You got the best quality here for $3.99. There's a 4-inch, 1/2 inch, with the 1/2 inch in. 3/8 inch in. I mean, my bad. $3.49. Then $4.99 for this 6-inch 3/8. Better quality, better quality. So you guys get the picture here. I'm not gonna go over all those. Yeah, we got some lamps, guys. Definitely some great linkable lights. It's about time Harbor Freight had something like this. The other ones are $19.99. They're cheap, they work, but they're not linkable. That's one thing that you know, if you know how to mess with extension cords and wires and stuff like electrical wires, and they are linkable. But if you don't know how to do that, then you're pretty much stuck with having an extension cord there or something. You got the 3000 lumen 4 feet linkable shop light, $32.99. As you guys see, it does have the wire, so you can just link it. I don't know if they include it or not. No, they probably don't include it. Just stick an extension cord there. You got the 5500 lumens 4 feet, $39.99. So you can link up to 8. And then you got the 10,000, which is the 4 feet linkable diamond plate LED shop light, $69.99. Link up to 4. So if you got a big place, this is definitely a light for you. You got a 250 lumen ultra bright spotlight, $12.99. So you can use it like a straight light, or you can use it as an angle. You can tilt it any way you want. See, this is one thing I like. I can put this in my pocket and just have it aim straight forward when I'm doing inspections. I might think I'm gonna pick one up. We got the new Earthquake 1/2 inch composite extreme torque air impact wrench, $149.99. As you guys see here, it does says heavy duty 1/2 inch. Delivers up to 1,190 pounds of torque or breakaway torque. So this is a beast. This is a beast. It's a nice green color there. Got the 4-in-1 power pack jump starter and compressor. Jump starter, rechargeable power supply, air compressor in one, $79.99. And this, we used to have something similar to this. It got redone, so I know a lot of the parking lot sales, they had a lot of these returns, open box items in those sales. These got returned a lot, so they might have just done redesigned and better the tool. Got professional Wobbles extension set by Icon, 7-piece, $39.99. They do come in a nice case for your toolbox. So wait for those coupons, guys. There's a lot of coupons that, well, not a lot of coupons. There's a few coupons out there. You can get that for cheaper. Brass Quick Connect Starter Kit, 5-piece, $4.99. By Central Pneumatic. I like the Merlins. I'll stick with the Merlins if you can get those. These are great gloves, guys. This is a 7mm nitro powered free gloves pack of 50. Extra large. So you got 2XL. You got the 2, 8, and 15 amp automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger, $59.99. We used to have something similar like this. I don't know what happened. They probably just redesigned it just like the other one. We got a drop down gun safe, $89.99. Nice. So I guess you can put the code here and it just pops down. Nice. I like that. I could see myself using something like this. Especially if you have kids around, you don't want them messing with your stuff. There you go. And it's always nice to have something, you know, just beside you at all times. So let's see, show more, because we haven't been here lately. Yeah, we already went over these. So we do have the bigger battery, the 5.0 amp hour battery from Bauer. If you guys haven't watched my other video, my other YouTube videos, I went over it on the other video. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon if you want to help this channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.